Hello everyone. In my today's video, I'm going to show you how to auto shut down an Azure VM. So this is my VM which is in running status, and as we all know, Azure VMs are charged on hourly basis. So if you want to auto shut down your machine end of your business hours, what you need to do is go to your VM blade, scroll down under operations, you will see the option of auto shutdown. So by default, the option is off. I'm already logged into my VM. So I'm going to enable it. So time right now is 3:04. Let me set the time for 3:05. Let's click on save. Should not take much time. And now let's go back to our VM and let's wait. Let's see what happens in a minute from now. So this video is only about auto shutdowning my machine, but in another video I'll cover how to auto start and how to auto shut the machine. That is a totally different implementation. So let's wait for this to auto shut down. So I have my Windows Explorer open, I have my server manager page open, then command prompt open. Let me open say Internet Explorer. So in few seconds we should see this machine shutting down. Okay, there you go, shutting down, and within few seconds my machine is shut. So let's go check the overview status. It might take few seconds to change from running to okay, delocating. So the machine is shutting down now. So that was my video on auto shutdown. If you found this video useful, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And please watch my next video on start and stop machine automatically. So if your office starts at 8 o'clock, you can set up auto start at 8 o'clock and auto shutdown at 5 o'clock. Thanks much for your time. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.